Raindrops. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning drop, welcome back. Today is a makeup video, as you can tell by the title, and we are going to be trying out an eyeshadow palette that I ordered from Amazon. This is not my first time ordering palettes from Amazon. I love the eyeshadow palettes that I find. I have several of them that I've ordered. They're very pigmented, they last all day, very colorful and neutral colors. So today this palette is from a company called UCANBE. I've also had a primer and brush set from them as well, and I think I had another couple of eyeshadow palettes that I bought from this particular company. So this is it. It is called the Fruit Pie Filling, and when I saw it online, I thought they had very pretty colors. I haven't opened the package yet. I got this like a couple of days ago, but haven't done anything. So let's open up the palette. So it's, yeah, slides right out. And opened it up, and this fell out. And this palette holds, to protect the cover, this palette has a mirror as well. I like that. And it holds 30 colors. They are shimmers and mattes, and they are very vibrant, very pretty. So I'm not going to swatch because there's so many colors. I'll swatch a couple so we can see how pigmented they are. I'm going to do a matte. So this one is, I'm going to try this one. It's called Raw. So orangey shade, burnt orange shade. Wow. That is very pigmented. I'm going to try this shimmer called Sugarcane. It's like it has gold shimmers in it, reflective gold, like a champagne gold. Oh wow. So yeah, they really do have good eyeshadow palettes that you don't have to spend a fortune on Amazon. And I think this one was, I have to go back and look at it, but I think it was like $10, like $9.99, something like that. So we're gonna see what look we can come up today using these colors in this palette. Again, this is Fruit Pie Filling from UCANBE. So yeah, my foundation routine and contour concealer routine has already been done. Eyebrows. So I'm just going to do the eyes since we're focused on this palette. And then I am going to finish off my face with my blush, highlight, and lipstick. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with the L'Oreal Full Wear Infallible Concealer, and this is in the shade 410. I'm going to use my flat foundation brush to blend that out. So the first color I'm going to go in with is Chestnut, which is this reddish cranberry-like color. So the color that I'm going to blend it out with is Grape, which is this, it's like pink and purple together. So I'm going to use that to blend this out. You guys, I am barely touching these colors. They are very, very pigmented. And very easy to blend out, as you can see. So after I cut my crease, for my lid, I'm going to go in with this shade here. The shimmer shade is Raspberry. So it's not applying like I want to with the brush. So I'm going to use my finger and see. That's much better. Put it down. I'm going to go in now with Blackberry to deepen up my crease right in the outer V. Y'all, I literally like tapped it. Like you can kind of see the powder, the fallout a little bit. But I don't have any fallout here. But I literally just tapped it and that's what I got. So I'm going to go back with the brush that I had the cranberry on. And I'm going to just blend it out a little bit more with that grape. So to brighten up the inner area of this part of my eye, I'm going to go back in with this shimmer shade Grapefruit. It's like this light lilac shimmer. I'm gonna do the inner of my eyes and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with it. And I'm also going to wet my brush a little bit. So before I go in on my lower lash line, I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to use the Maybelline Studio Eye Gel, which is still the same, but it says Lasting Drama. This is black. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. And I'm going to do my lashes off camera as well. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use, but I'll let you guys know when I come back. Okay, so finally I got my lashes on. I hate applying new lashes because something about the strips with applying it, even though I let the glue dry how it's supposed to, I have to do it like 2 times before it actually sticks. But the brand I use is Poppy and Ivy 5D Darling Lashes, and they are in the style Elaine. So that is the lashes that I went with today. And as you can see, my lower lash line is done as well. So now I'm going to brighten up even further, do my inner tear duct. And I am going to be using this shimmer shade, Sugar Cane. Okay, y'all, I changed my mind that fast. I'm not going to use Sugar Cane. I'm going to use Lemonade. Yeah, I'm going to use Lemonade. Ooh. This is pretty, like, y'all, I'm using like the smallest amount, I promise. So guys, for my highlight, I'm gonna use the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter palette. And I'm going to go in with, what is this? First Class and Paradise. This is like more of a purpley shade. And I think this is kind of more of a bronzy. So I'm gonna mix those two together, spray my brush. With the Ruby Kisses Dare Blusher Palette. And I'm going to use this rosy pinkish red color here. For my lips, I'm going in with my favorite liner, sharpen my pencil. This is the Nika K lip liner pencil in the color Cocoa. And I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss. This is in the shade Posy. It has, it's pink, as you can see, but it has purple hues in it. Okay guys, this is the look. So I'm gonna go take my hair down. This, you guys can see. So last video I did a wash and go with the Afro Love, and even though this is a new product to me using it, I thought that was my first time seeing it until I went through looking at wash and goes using that product. And I had seen it last year when Jalen Mitchell, one of my favorite YouTubers, Natural Hair, she uses this. This is actually a Latino brand hair product. So I assumed it was, at the time when I picked it up, I assumed that it was maybe black owned because of the Afro Love. But I think it's for Afro Latinas, you know. But that product is not new. But I went, last video I used it with the wet line. Like I told you guys in the video, you can go back and look at it. It's the most recent video I just did. I really wanted to use it with my other favorite gel, which is the Ampro. This is my new favorite gel. This is the Ampro Pro Style Clear Ice. This isn't new as well, but it was new to me using it a couple of months ago. I like it better than the wet line because it's not as harsh and it doesn't flake. But yeah, I can't wait to see. I washed my hair yesterday, so yeah, I will be back with the finished look for you guys. So see you in the next clip.